Abebembezi b'ekibine kya NRM okorwa muri Bugisu sub-region ahandengo z'ahansi okusyahaza higuru mu kibine eki bayikunganira aha kishayi kya Mbale Senior Secondary School omu tawuni ya Mbale kubasa kuvugana huri chairperson w'ekibine eki okureba muringo ogubarashiruremu obuhagizi bw'ekibine eki. President Museveni mu kugamba kwe yashoborera ngu abantu bamwe bine amisho nkonka tibari kureba agumize ngo NRM ebyekozire nibirebwa n'empumi.
People for a long time now.
Unyati ababantu barara ate mumbuka inde yumamenyime.
Who say they are opposing?
But nabo habisa
tukora nibo wakanya.
Ogu yahiga abanya-Uganda kwehera abantu abarukorera abantu abarukorwa mu mahanga gaheru abihagira ngo tibarikwendeza ihanga.
Some of them working for foreigners come here and say we are opposing. NRM has done nothing. Are you sick? What are you? So me, I know them, all of them. Those are not happy with Uganda developing.
Ahantu yashobora besimbere n'ababingi babiri bari mu ishengero ry'ihanga n'ababine okujunanwa. Ahantu yahaburaho na Rebonandara Mafabi okwatira ekibina kya FDC bendera ahentebe bwa president okurekeraho kugenda nagambara abantu ngo takorire bantu babwisu.
But what I don't like are people who go and then tell lies. They make mistakes because then they go and tell lies. Like when my son Nandala Mafabi goes to Namisindwa, the road is bad. Yes, but you are the one who delayed it.
Ebyo bikiryaho abakuru omu kibine kya NRM bashobora ekigendererwa cy'orukikoru.
And that's why we have invited these cadres. They are going to dominate the ground. They will be there up to 15th of January, and their responsibility will be to ensure that everybody remains yellow.
We want to request you leaders as you go back to your areas. Go and mobilize for NRM. Mobilize for the president. Mobilize for the flag bearers.
The president reminded them of the messages he was giving during the rallies, and he re-emphasized on the message of the coffee and coffee production. And so this was a very good meeting. It summarizes our visit to Bugisu sub-region. We intend to do the same in all other sub-regions, and possibly it will remind the leaders that the campaign is in their hands to make sure that our flag bearers are supported by all the leaders of the party at all levels.
President Museveni herizoba yayemerezamo kuronda karuru kubuganaho n'abebembezi b'ekibine kya NRM kubashobora ahashonga zitari zimwe na zimwe. Maguraga Gashakwa Ronald Ngabirana.